enhance learner engagement with CRM integration in your LMS, and effortlessly manage your email campaigns with marketing automation as your marketing goal. Discover how Academy LMS and FluentCRM integration can elevate your e-learning business. Before diving in, make sure you have installed and activated FluentCRM free and pro versions to get started with Academy LMS. Next, navigate to the Academy LMS add-ons menu. From there, look for the FluentCRM add-on and turn the add-on on. Now start by creating lists and tags in FluentCRM to organize your contacts. Move to the FluentCRM dashboard and hit the mouse on the list area. Press click on the Create List button. Set the title for the list and hit the Create button. Repeat this process to create more and more lists. Next, click on the Tags area. Hit on the Create Tag button. Again, repeat this process to create more and more tags. Now move to set up your first automation. To do that, go to the Automation menu from FluentCRM. Click on the New Automation button. Select Create from Scratch. Now select Academy LMS. Then select the trigger for automation. Choose a trigger as we select the course enrolled and click on Continue. Set a name for this automation. You can also add an internal description for better clarity. Fix the subscription status. Under Conditions, choose how the automation handles existing contacts. From Target Courses, you can specify the target courses. Simply select the courses you want this automation to apply to, or leave it blank to run the automation for any course enrollment. Once everything is set up, don't forget to hit Save Settings. Now click on the plus button. From the Actions tab, you have access to a wide range of automation options to streamline your workflows and enhance user interactions. For Academy LMS, you can find Actions, Enroll to Course, and Remove from a course. Now select the Apply List action block from CRM. Here, from Select List, and save the settings. Again, click on plus button. Go to the Email option. Here, choose Send Custom Email. Start by assigning a meaningful internal label. Next, choose the recipient for your email. In the email subject, write a catchy line to grab attention. Now, let's create the email body. Next, let's add dynamic placeholders to personalize your email. Click the placeholder icon, go to the Academy LMS tab, and select placeholders as needed to personalize your email. When done, click Save Settings to apply your changes. After done, hit on the plus icon again to set up the Wait X Days Hours action in FluentCRM. Click Save Settings to finalize your setup. Next, go to the Conditions section, then select the Academy LMS course completed. Select the Include In or Not Include In options. Choose the course you not include in. Lastly, save the settings. Add action from the Yes option of the check condition. Configure the email by following the process we showed before in this video. Then add action from the No option of the check condition. Then configure it carefully. Now click on plus icon. Select Apply Tags from the CRM action block. Select the tags from the list and hit click on Save Settings. Now that we have done all the settings for automation, publish the automation to make the automation live. Let's importing existing students' instructors' contacts. Navigate to the Contact menu of FluentCRM. Click on Import to import a bulk number of contacts at a time. You have many options for importing contacts. Select Academy LMS and click Next. Choose the course you want to import contact. Then, select a tag list and hit on Next. Select a list for these contacts. Next, hit on Import Academy LMS Students Now button. From the Contact menu, you see all of your imported contacts. Let's move the Data Synchronization, Reports, and Analytics part. Navigate to Integration Settings from FluentCRM Settings. Here, you can see Academy LMS option. Once your settings are configured, click on the Sync Academy LMS Students button. Then, go to the Report from FluentCRM dashboard and select Academy LMS. Now, if any student enrolls to any of your courses, then the student will be added to the contact list in FluentCRM dashboard. From the Automations report, you can find various kinds of reports, such as chart reports, step reports, and email analytics. And there you have it. With Academy LMS and FluentCRM working together, you can automate, engage, and grow your e-learning business like never before. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.